Aphantasia is a condition characterized by the inability to visualize mental images or have a vivid mind's eye. People with aphantasia typically have difficulty or cannot visualize images, objects, people, or scenes in their minds, even though they may have no problem with their visual perception in the real world. The term aphantasia was coined by Professor Adam Zeman in 2015. Aphantasia is not a widely known or recognized condition, and its prevalence is still not well understood. However, research and anecdotal evidence suggest that it may be more common than previously thought. People with aphantasia often report that their thoughts are more concept-based or abstract, relying on other senses, such as language or emotions, to represent ideas or memories. It's important to note that aphantasia is not a disorder or a medical condition. It is simply a variation in how the mind processes and represents information. Some individuals with aphantasia may have developed compensatory strategies to work around the lack of mental imagery, while others may find certain tasks, such as recalling specific details or recognizing faces, more challenging. Although the exact cause of aphantasia is still unclear, it is believed to result from differences in brain structure or neural pathways involved in mental imagery. Some cases of aphantasia have been associated with brain injuries, stroke, or other neurological conditions, but many people with aphantasia report having it from early childhood without any known cause. It's worth mentioning that aphantasia is a relatively new area of study, and researchers are still investigating its mechanisms, prevalence, and potential impact on cognitive processes. If you believe you may have aphantasia or have further questions, it would be advisable to consult a healthcare professional or a mental health specialist who can provide you with more information and guidance.